If you're on a journey in relation to data, contract management and compliance, then AnyData is here to help you. We deliver data-driven solutions to support all our clients on these journeys, not just with their immediate needs, but also as they evolve and they grow. We were founded in 2013 by James Curtis Pond, a former city lawyer with both Clifford Chance and Alan Overy, and a general counsel with the global companies such as Edison Mission Energy. And it was there that the foundation and the genesis of the idea that the contract management and data solutions that people had in order to run their compliance, legal and departmental obligations simply weren't up to scratch to give people the insights and the information and the immediate search capabilities they needed to deliver the goals and objectives of their departments and of their enterprises. We have offices in London and Brighton. AnyData has over 50 clients with users in over 48 major global cities around the world. Every continent we have users using our technologies, and we are particularly a technology partner to 7 of the top 50 global law firms in the world. We are data and industry agnostic, but we do have a particular love of working with the legal sector. In order to just explain what we do, this one slide on architecture is extremely important because it sets the picture. QuickViz was developed initially as a platform for producing data-driven products and services that can evolve and change extremely quickly. QuickViz is an end-to-end data platform which can, from one solution, ingest multiple data sets, huge contract volumes, work with the cleansing of that data, the shaping of the data, the filtering of the data, the currency conversions, all the pieces of work that need to be done to ensure that when the data is visualized, it's the right information that's been visualized. And being an end-to-end platform, it has its own integrated proprietary dashboard visualization and report building technologies which users can actually use self-service. It also contains a visual development framework, which means that without coding, solutions, applications and integrated data services can be developed extremely quickly. But today, we wanted to talk particularly about AnyData's contract management and compliance tracking solution, the award-winning, and also about our data services, which are closely related in relation to the contract and data migration, OCR and ETL services, and particularly just to remind the listener as to the AnyData app and BI store, which is totally integrated, which means as we have built different solutions using our visual development framework, they have become applicable and easily modularly added for our clients as they go forward, such as GDPR and compliance solutions, onboarding solutions, ad hoc dashboard solutions, spend analytics, client analytics, and of course contract management, etc. You can see here that we have, in relation to that, come top of the Magic Quadrant, and think of us as your modular capability to quickly deliver as your needs evolve. Because one thing is for sure, whatever we're planning to do today, within 1 month or a year, the plan will have changed and we need to be flexible. And AnyData will bring you that. Just to show the Magic Quadrant a little bit more detail, we came considerably top of the Magic Quadrant here, and this was based on an extremely deep dive of everybody's solutions. Nobody was allowed to make any comments about what they could do without actually proving and showing it to the technology reviewers, and this score is a combination of technology review and customer feedback. Today's focus, however, is going to be very much on the contract management and compliance solution for enterprise law firms. Simply put, it's delivering a global contract management system to store and instantly find enterprise-wide documents and key information, but with a heavy focus on advanced reporting, cost saving and compliance tracking. Key value benefits are the enterprise search of all the contracts and data, finding the insights that are vital in a digital age. Cost benefits are extremely impressive with a very high ROI, especially in relation to such things as being able to understand the number of evergreen contracts in the business, to be able to review and typically eliminate unrequired evergreen contracts that are still being paid through accounts payable or credit cards through the company, but we're really not getting the value for them. And of course, having centralized the information, we have alerts and instant information as to every contract in the business, where there is a notice date, which gives us the opportunity to ensure it doesn't automatically roll over, but actually gives us the chance to reduce the cost, increase the terms and conditions, and put in place better supplier or customer relationships. Also, we're going to focus particularly on the compliance benefits in an age where whatever you want to track is completely tailored and, of course, bespoke to a firm. But typically speaking, issues such as Bribery Act compliance, Modern Slavery Act compliance, data protection and GDPR compliance are becoming key issues, especially when we consider that these things can have criminal liabilities or a PR disaster or huge global fines. The technology benefits that AnyData bring are genuine. A unique approach to how we build our solutions, some superb abilities to transfer and migrate legacy contract files and data into the solution quickly, advanced integrated real-time dashboard and report builders where the users themselves can instantly deploy reports to the entire enterprise on the fly, as well, of course, as having advantage to the original dashboards that the company we are delivering for our clients automatically as part of the process. We also have self-service multilingual web OCR, which is different to most people because most vendors, you would give them their contracts, they'll OCR them for you and then send them back. In our solution, of course, we can do that, but you actually have self-service OCR. And a real USP for us is the ability to enrich the reporting on the contracts by pulling in and integrating multiple additional data sources. To give you a perfect example, few contracts will give you the actual full contract price inside the contract. For example, a contract with a law firm will say that you will charge X pounds per lawyer, but you do not know how much of that time has been called on. So it's almost impossible to have an accurate view of the costs and the expenses or the revenues that the contracts you're storing in your contract management system are giving you. To do that, you need to pull in the extra data direct from your PMS system, which enables us to actually integrate the contract with accurate cost or revenue information as to what's happened under your contracts. The final set of key delivery benefits, the secure, fast and flexible deployment options. Most of our clients are cloud, but we also offer on-premise and also hybrid deployments. We also can access by the web, desktop, everything is touch enabled. And enterprise security includes IP address filtering, which restricts access to only internal IP addresses. We also have a unique feature of advanced roles and security permissions, which means that we can lock down what a user can see from a role all the way down to one contract. So to give you one quick example, you may want to have somebody looking at contracts globally. You may restrict that down to North America. You might want to restrict that down to a user seeing North America only customer or HR, or maybe procurement contracts. Or you may want to restrict that down to somebody seeing one contract. All totally possible. Finally, system integration. Fully integrated modular architecture with visual no-coding data object-driven UI. This means that several of our clients may have multiple applications all accessed off a single sign-on, such as spend analytics, contract management, supplier onboarding for increasing compliance. Thank you very much for listening to this. I'm now going to do a separate video if you'd like to watch it on the system itself.